guys, welcome to my channel, My Hobby House. Today I'm back with another wonderful video, that is how to make Peppa Pig themed birthday decorations at your home. Peppa Pig is one of the favorite character for most of the kids. Follow this simple way of birthday decorations and make your little one happy. It's a long video with detailed explanation of each and every DIY I have made. So let's start with the background. I have given the link for the balloon decoration video in the description below. Draw Princess Peppa in a full-size white chart paper. Paint it and cut it out. Then making of number 3. Cut out 2 pieces of number 3 in a thick cardboard. This is a corrugated cardboard sheet. You can see this in the middle of the thick heavy-duty cardboard. Cut it into a small strip and stick it on the sides of the number 3. Place the another piece of 3 on top. Now you can paint and decorate it. For the name board, cut a piece of a cardboard in a puddle shape and paint it blue. Then take a glitter foam sheet and trace out your kid's name on the back side as a mirror image. Cut it out and stick it on the puddle. Next, it's the Peppa Pig Ferris wheel. I have given this template in the description. Take a printout if you want, otherwise you can draw it. Cut the layout and fold it on the lines. Glue the ends to make a pyramid. So this is the center of the Ferris wheel. Next, in a yellow cardstock, draw circles as shown in the video and cut it out. Then I glued all the Peppa Pig figures on the ends. You can also print this sheet from the link in the description. This is the marshmallow tree. I have made a separate video for this. You can refer it in the description below. This is the Peppa Pig themed cake. I kept the Kit Kat sticks on the sides and tied it with a ribbon. I have used chocolate buttercream frosting to look like muddy puddles. Then I kept Peppa Pig toy figurines on top. Those little green and blue are meringue cookies. I have also made meringue pops. You can refer to that video in the description below. I have a separate video on how to make Peppa Pig house using cardboard. You can also refer to the link in the description if you want. So, this is the end of this video. Hope this is simple and easy for everyone to try at their home. Make your kids happy by celebrating their birthday with their favorite characters. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.